Hello and welcome to Mighty Machines. In today's video, we'll talk about the 12 impressive trucks and machines we think you should get to know. Watch until the end of this video to see the most powerful telescopic crane in the world. Without further delay, let's get right into the video. A catenary system is a system of overhead wires that function to provide electricity to a locomotive, streetcar, or light rail vehicle. This works with a pantograph that presses against the underside of the lowest overhead wire or the contact wire. This specific system is usually seen with trains or buses powered by electric wires. Due to its usefulness, the catenary systems also need to go through maintenance to make sure it's still working properly. Good thing the company Hilton Komodo GMBH has built a vehicle to assist in this. With its amazing and versatile features, the OMF 110T 4x2 becomes the best choice for catenary maintenance. This is the Ducker hard shoulder milling machine, specifically called the Ducker SBF 900. It is a self-propelled milling unit that allows the milling of hard shoulders as well as the loading of cut materials in just one go. It has a working width of 1.25 meters and additional augers that extend its working distance from 1.7 to 2.1 meters. These features are ideal for operations under and behind guardrails all at once. Aside from that, its other parts are also designed to do specific tasks, like the attached broom that cleans the driveway during operations. To ensure optimal working speed and proper functioning, this unit also has a sensor attached in front of it. To add to that, both the traveling and milling done by the SBF 900 is fully hydraulic. One of the most common issues in construction sites are accidents. May it be from human error or a machine not working properly, all result in such great losses. To combat this issue, some manufacturers have been realizing machines that require lesser manual labor or human interaction. One example is the remote-controlled truck from A+T Netzafahrzeug. This is a construction transport system that has a remote-controlled vehicle and crane systems. Then, we also have the Fassi 1100 Scarable Auto Portinate, which is described as a dynamic crane equipped with fantastic features that help with its world-class performance. It has 8 hydraulic extensions, an extra jib with 6 additional attachments, a 30-ton winch, and a new V7 radio remote control. On top of that, it also has arms that can extend up to the length of 100 meters, and its hydraulic legs can balance it very well too. These are recipes for outstanding performance and completion of even the most challenging tasks. The manufacturer of this machine has also been known to listen well to the needs of the customers. Even though cranes like these are usually mounted on ships or vehicles, their clients have sent them feedback and suggestions, which resulted in the addition of a detachable version of this. Sand particles that get inside the fermenters are one of the few things biogas plant operators have to handle. Although fermenters have agitators, it doesn't usually absorb the inorganic sediments that enter the system, especially when they're already with input materials such as maize, hay, or manure. This is where the high-performance suction dredger from Holzl GMBH comes in. This impressive machine does not only extract sediments from the fermenter, but is also capable of sucking both solid or liquid substances that get in. To do it, 2 small wheel loaders are lifted to the fermenter with the help of the crane truck. After that, sediments are forced beyond the scope of the suction dredger. Then it transports the collected substance through a sludge-proof trowel. It also helps to know that this suction dredger has high throughput even when it works over longer distances. In terms of machines used in impact crusher plants, the Liebherr R950 GIGA from Liebherr AG comes in as one of the best. This machine has been proven to carry through tasks with immense flexibility and capacities, hence making it ideal for a lot of applications. This plant employs high productive capacity, validated technologies that not only increases the ease of operation, but also gives a lot of push to the overall efficiency. The next one is a load haul dump with electric drives, the hybrid diesel LHDS from Komatsu Mining. Since it is a 22 metric ton diesel LHD that works with other fantastic features, it provides quicker acceleration, lower fuel consumption, and lower heat rejection. This machine is also known to give the best-in-class breakout and rim pull. These advantages are set out by the unique proprietary ability to store and dispense energy whenever it's required. This machine also offers amazing regeneration, which means substantial decreases in overall costs, thus making it the LHD with the lowest overall running costs. A road rail system fitted with hydrostatic drive. This is the road rail vehicle from SRS. Would you believe that this vehicle can be driven up to a speed of 100 kilometers per hour both on its forward and reverse tracks? If you're driving it on the lane, it can also go up to 90 kilometers per hour. Not only that, operators only need less than 2 minutes to drive it quickly and safely on and off the track. To move from the road to the railway, this vehicle allows only 3 to 5 meters of a level crossing. Its speed and mobility contributes a lot to the successful fast travels this vehicle can make to and fro the office rail system. Due to that, the risks of derailment crossing points, wing rails, and level crossings are also eliminated. On top of it all, no specific speed limit is required to operate for curves, switches, and level crossings. Plus, this can also be manually controlled too. Next is the Tiro Mix Silage Cutter and Mixer Feeder. This is a self-loading feed mixer that prides itself on its capacity to complete an entire loading, mixing, and discharge process, even with just one worker and one tractor. This is made possible by its Trio Mix feature, which includes a moving cutting knife, purpose-designed cutting, as well as loading system that ensures there's only minimum waste during the cutting process. In addition, its compact form also gives an additional structure to the feed. The worker tasked to handle this machine does not need to worry so much since the Trio Mix is very robust but easy to maneuver too. To give more control for the operator, it also has an excellent view to the rear from the tractor. All of these make the operator's job easier. Hitrans Fire System did a very good job at manufacturing this monitor trailer system. A wide range of trailer fixed and handheld monitors for a variety of tasks. Even with that, each one is made with proven and tested parts that help in providing world-class performance and launches. The monitors can be installed with the help of only a small amount of additional material required to make it functional. Did you know that this machine, the Zoomlion Quay 2000, had to go through a lot of different tests before it was released? This was done to guarantee that it is able to meet the market expectations and provide high-quality service. This large-scale crane is capable of carrying up to 2,000 tons at such great heights even with its very compact design. Its power and capacities also comes naturally, since this machine is based on a 9-axial all-terrain crane technology with an additional 3-axle auxiliary drive set. Finally, we have the Liebherr R950, a 45-ton capacity tunnel crawler excavator. Powered by 1,200 horsepower diesel engine that meets the Phase 4 exhaust gas emissions, this machine is truly an engineering marvel. Even with its built, this can adapt to tunnels with a height of 5 up to 8 meters. To avoid collisions when inside a tunnel, Liebherr has made sure to design it with a much shorter tail radius and a height limit for fittings. Greater efficiency is also provided through the fitted breakout powers this machine has. This is the end of our list on the marvelous 12 impressive trucks and machines you need to check out. Before we end, we'd like to let you know that we'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post something new. Thank you for watching.